Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another college diary. This one is a day in the life because it's Friday and I don't have any classes on Friday, so I decided to vlog because I got some stuff to do today. Not off campus, but more of just like homework. So I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, shower. I might wash and then go to the library and do my work, but I don't know. But right now I'm taking out the trash. Oh yeah. Someone just fell on me. What the heck? Oh yeah. It's the 28th. Yeah. I've been lacking going to the gym recently, so I've been trying to make myself go more often. Not more often, just be more consistent, because after homecoming week, I was like lacking. But yeah. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then when I come back from the gym, I'm gonna go get breakfast actually, then go back and shower. So I'm in the gym right now, and today is gonna be an ab and butt day because I need to work on my abs and my butt. So we're gonna do this workout right here that I have. It's a long one. Okay, I'm done at the gym. It's 9:36. We gonna get there one day. But I'm about to go to a cafe. Probably not gonna record, but yeah, I'll just see y'all in my room after I get out the shower. Okay, so I'm about to do a little bit of homework. First I need to email my teacher, my business class. So I'm about to do that right now. And I'm also washing, so got my timer. Got my timer on my clothes. Okay, so the first assignment I'm gonna do is my business homework. It's just multiple choice questions.
Crown, that's a jam.
Okay, y'all, I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A right now. Give me some food. Why is it not? It's dark, whatever. I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A right now, give me some food. Then I'm going to the library to do my papers. So this might be a little montage. So yeah, I'm about to just go and they can't even hear you. Okay, I got my Chick-fil-A. I got a Chick-fil-A meal and then an 8-count nugget on the side. I'm just eat the fries right now. Everything else I'm just save for later. But I'm not gonna go to the library. I'm just gonna do my work in here. Yeah. I'm gonna do my paper. It's hot. gosh, we go home in 21 days. I'm so happy. Today, I mean, not today, tomorrow, our mom's side of the family doing a, like, what's the name? That little color party where you like dress up as a color and then you bring snacks and stuff like that. And I'm sad I'm missing out. That seems fun. I know. Shut up. Okay, y'all, right now I am just doing a paper and I'm gonna phone my boyfriend, but I am writing down all of the stuff I'm gonna type in my paper, because I feel like this is easier for me. So like when I type, he's mocking me right now. Can you please shut up? But it's just easier for me when I write it out. When I write it out, it's easier for me to type it, so like when I'm retyping it, I can see if it makes sense or not. Yeah, I'm about to finish doing this paper because my camera about to die, and then I'm gonna start my other one. I just gotta write an intro. Keep talking. Just keep talking. But yeah, my camera about to die. I don't really have nothing else to do for the day, so yeah. You wanna say hi to Josh? Look. Okay, right now I'm in a library and I am still doing this paper, but the student union had closed, so I left, and now I'm in a library and they close at 5 and it's 3:09, so I'm just still trying to finish. I'm almost done, but yeah, that's a little update. My camera's flashing again, but I just have to update y'all.